Hi, welcome to season 2 of Cooking with the Krazy Chef. I'm your host, Off Crazy Man 81. Today's recipe will be making burgers. So let's get started. So the ingredients you'll be needing is ground beef. Today I'll be using 80-20 ground beef. For the seasoning, we'll be using McCormick's Montreal steak seasoning, and a sliced cheese of your choice with any condiments of your choice. So let's get into the cooking part. So we'll take it and we'll set it down. So we start out, we have a burger press here. We're going to put the burger press on our scale. Turn the scale on. Scale should read, you want to get enough meat on the press for the scale to weigh 4 ounces. We're basically making quarter pounders. Now I did wash my hands before I started this, so make sure you wash your hands, especially when you're cooking for other people. Alright, so once you have your 4 ounces of meat, you're going to take your meat and you're going to press it into a ball. This will make sure the meat does not fall apart inside of the pan. We're going to put the meat back in the press. We're going to take the press right here. We're going to push it in to the meat, making sure the meat is flat. Okay, so now that we have the burgers on the fry pan, we're going to take our McCormick Montreal steak seasoning and we're going to apply it to one side of the burger. So, not a lot, but not too much. This will allow it to give some flavor, while not overpowering your mouth with the seasoning. So I ended up flipping the burger 2 or 3 more times, making sure it's even on each side. Now it's time for the taste test. Yeah, I put ketchup on there. So there you have it. A wonderful burger that you can make anytime, anywhere. This is the Krazy Chef, signing off.